Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing absolutely great. Welcome to our amazing YouTube channel of Brilliant Qatar. My dear friends, I know you are all very busy regarding JEE preparation. My dear friends, we are back with another interesting lecture in our JEE Mathematics Crash Course. That is, in today's session we are going with properties of triangles. Dear friends, in today's session properties of triangles is going to guarantee you 4 mark. So one particular question will be compulsory being asked, like guaranteedly it will be asked from properties of triangles. So today, by watching today's particular session, no doubt 4 mark you'll be putting it in your pocket and you'll be having it for your exam. That's it. So in today's session we'll be dealing with complete JEE Mains and Advanced agenda of properties of triangles. We'll be going with each and every concept of properties of triangles and all the 5-6 years past PYQs. Apart from PYQs also we'll be going with miscellaneous questions where we cover each and every model from properties of triangles. And my dear friends, I'll tell you the difficulty level of this particular topic. Coming to the difficulty level, it's one of the most easiest topics that we ever had in our JEE, because it will be having some rules. There are some formulae, some particular basic formulae. If you are good at that particular formulae and visualizing all the things, suppose sine rule. What is sine rule? In that way, if you can able to visualize at the same time memorize these formulae, then there are the questions which are asked based on direct those formulae. That's it. Clear, guys? So without any delay, we are going to start today's session. At the same time, I already informed you that by watching today's session, one compulsory 4-mark question, that is one question from properties of triangles, you will be easily able to solve after watching this particular session. Okay, guys, chalo, we'll start the session. Yeah, we are starting with sine formulae, or we say sine rule. Sine rule states that, my dear friends, in a particular triangle, in any triangle, let capital A, capital B, capital C denotes angles. Let capital A, in complete properties of triangles, we go with some standard things, friends. What are those standard things? We consider capital A, capital B, capital C as angles, and the sides opposite to those corresponding angles, that is small a. Small a denotes the side length of side BC. Small b denotes the side length of side AC. And small c denotes the side length of side AB. Clear? Okay? Small a denotes, this is by default it takes A denotes the side length opposite to angle A. B denotes the standard notations we say. Small ABC represents sides, capital ABC represents angles. Now coming to sine rule. Sine rule states that the ratio of sides to their corresponding sine of angles to their corresponding sine of opposite angles is always equals to some constant, and this constant is equals to twice the circumradius. What is circumradius, guys? Circumradius, suppose if there exists a circle passing through all the 3 vertices, then such circle is called as circumcircle, and the radius of this circle is called as circumcenter, and the radius of this circle is called as circumradius, where S is circumcenter. This circumcenter S will be equidistant from all the 3 vertices, and that is what our circumradius do. So in any triangle ABC, A by sin A is equals to B by sin B is equals to C by sin C, which is equals to 2R. From here we can even say A is equals to 2R sin A, B is equals to 2R sin B, C equals to 2R sin C. A equals to 2R sin A, B equals to 2R sin B, C equals to 2R sin C. And not only this, friends, whenever we require, we can even majority of the cases we take A by sin A is equals to B by sin B is equals to C by sin C is equals to some K we take, okay, or even we take, depending upon our necessity, sin A by A is equals to sin B by B is equals to is equals to sin C by C is equals to some lambda. Depending upon our necessity, we take either by ratio of this or ratio of sine of angles to its opposite side. And one more most important thing, my dear friends, when do we use this particular rule? When do we use this particular rule? I mean to say, suppose you know two angles, angle A, angle B known. You know one side A. To get to know the above other side, irrespective whether we know angle C or side C, irrespective of that, you can get the angle side B by using this particular relation. Or you know A and sine A and angle A, we know B, we don't know angle B. Then in all those particular cases, so among all the things, you can take any two, the required unknown you will be getting by using this sine rule. One should know how to apply this sine rule. And what is the sine rule? Okay, sine rule is a rule which gives the relationship between the angles and sides of a particular triangle. The rule which gives the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle, even cosine rule also. Clear, guys? Always small ABC denotes sides and capital ABC denotes angles of a particular triangle. So this is regarding sine rule. Either we can use this or use this depending upon our necessity to the required question. Chalo. Next, cosine formula, cosine rule we say. Suppose friends, if small a comma b comma c are any three sides of a triangle, guys, again this also same. This also same. Suppose capital A, capital B, capital C are angles. As usual, small a, small b, small c are corresponding sides opposite to those angles. Friends, when you know all the three sides, please keep it clear. When you know all the three sides, all the three angles can also be known by using cosine rule. When you know three sides, three angles can be known. That is, to know angle A and these, whether it is sine rule or all the rules from properties, that is a solution of triangles, properties of triangles can be known by using just by correlation, by using symmetry, friends. This is the most important. You no need to remember each and everything. Is that clear? Just identify the pattern. Just identify the, once you know cos AC, if you take angle A, then here you will be having minus A square divided by 2BC, nowhere in denominator, nowhere A of in denominator. In the same way, cos B, here minus B square, there won't be any B in the denominator. Here minus C square, there won't be any C. So in that way, you can just correlate. You can correlate to the left side and right side part. That's it. And coming to cosine rule, so if you know if you know all the three sides, then this angle cos A will be equals to, cos A is equals to sum of the squares of these two, b square plus c square minus square of opposite side length divided by 2bc. Cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Next, one more important thing from this, like you know two sides, boss. You know two sides. The applications of cosine rule. One is when you know three sides, to know the corresponding angles, we get it. Next, when you know two sides, and the included angle, when you know two sides and the included angle, to get the corresponding third side, we use cosine rule. How do we use it? See, imagine we know BC and angle A. That means 2BC times cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square. From here we can get easily a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. Guys, is this clear? When you know two sides and the corresponding and the included angle, then to get the third side, we use cosine rule. Simple thing. Suppose imagine you know A and C and you know angle B, then what do you do in this particular case? This b square is equals to sum of the squares of these two, a square plus c square minus 2ac cos B. That's it. In the same way, to get c square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. So apart from these three, we can also ABC, D, E, F. These are like when you know sides to get the corresponding angles. In second case, when you know two sides and include an angle to get the corresponding third side, a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. B square is equals to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. And c square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. The sixth rule we say cosine rule. Just by using, no need to remember all the six, friends. Once you know A and D, you can, once you know A, that's enough. All these B, C, D, E, F, you'll be knowing very easily. You can just correlate the things. That's it. That correlation, if you can able to visualize, you'll get the things very easy. Next, projection rule. Till now, there was no problem in JEE mains by projection rule, but just simple, friends. Very simple. Projection rule is something where we are expressing like where we are expressing A without any term which is related to A. That means to get side A, we are not even using angle A. It is completely, okay. A is equals to, just whenever you are using A, make sure that except A, we have angle B, angle C and side B, side C. With only those you are going to get side A. That is A is equals to B cos C plus C cos A. A is equals to B times cos C plus C times cos B. To get angle B, to get side B is equals to, now you will be making sure that you will be expressing B in terms of A and C. That is A times of cos B you take. A times of cos C plus C times of cos A. This is what projection rule. C is equals to, we are expressing C in terms of A and B now. That is A times of cos B plus B times of cos A. That's how we express. And this is what projection rule. Proving also very simple, friends. Proving is also very simple. Proving is also very simple. Just draw an altitude. Let this be some D. Okay. Now what about this one? Just by using that corresponding, BC is equals to BD plus DC now. BC is equals to BD plus DC. This angle B, this angle C. Now BD in terms of angle B. BD in terms of angle B. Nothing but, what is this side? Small c. What is this side? Small b. Now express, this becomes C cos B, this becomes B cos C. So A will be equals to, small a will be equals to, complete this. In this particular rule, use cos. What is cos B? Cos B is equals to adjacent. That is BD divided by hypotenuse C. Now BD is equals to C times cos B. So C cos B, it becomes C cos B. What about CD now, friends? Cos C, in this triangle, cos C will be equals to adjacent CD divided by B. So CD will be equals to now B cos C. That is B cos C. So I can write BC is nothing but my side A is equals to B cos C plus C times cos B. See how easily we proved. So proving part, I request not to just do understand proving part, but make sure you are remembering it. That's the most important thing, friends. Okay, because proving takes time. Okay, next, Napier's analogy or tangent rule. This is one among the important rule that we have. Sine rule, cosine rule and tangent rule, or Napier's analogy we say. And this is again very simple. Just by using symmetry we can. Now if you are doing like B minus C by 2, then you, very simple. See how do we take it? We already have A by sin A is equals to B by sin B is equals to C by sin C. Yeah, A by sin A is equals to B by sin C. B by sin B is equals to C by sin C is equals to 2R. Now guys, you just see sin b divided by sin a is equals to b by a. Yeah, which implies sin a divided by sin b is equals to a by b. By using compound into and divide into, can we write sin a plus sin b by sin a minus sin b is equals to a plus b by a minus b. That's it, guys. We will get this directly. There is no question. Use sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c, a minus b by 2. 2 cos. By using that, you will be getting it. So, just tan of b minus c by 2 is equals to b minus c by b plus c. Forget about proving. Only proving is required to understand it. That's it. But memorize it. It's very simple to memorize, friend. Just sit on it, work on it, write 2 to 3 times. That's it. You'll get it. If you're not able to get in 2 to 3 times, sit, write 5 to 6 times, or 10 to 11 times, but make sure you get it. Okay? But we will get it easily. It's not that much hard thing, my dear friends. Okay? So sin a plus sin b divided by sin a minus sin b will be a plus b by a minus. In that way, we can prove. One, if you can able to remember one, then remaining two, just you see tan of b minus c by 2. If you take tan of c minus a by 2, the same order, that is c minus a by c plus a. Now the remaining here we have ca, we don't have b, cot b by 2. Tan of, next if you take angle a minus angle b by 2 in the same order of angles, that is a minus b by a plus b into cot, here we have angle a, angle b, there is no c, so cot c by 2. How do we get it? By using this proof. Guys, clear? Good. Next. Yes. Most important half angle formula that we have in properties of triangles. Very, very, very important, guys. Very important. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important, friends. Very important. Very important. Very, very, very important. Now coming to this half angle formula, how do we get this? Already we have seen cosine rule, friends. Cos A is equals to, cos A equals to, cos A we have seen, cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, 1 plus cos A, friends. 1 plus cos A, we know it as 2 cos square A by 2 is equals to 1 plus cos A, b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc, which is nothing but 2 cos square A by 2 is equals to 2bc plus b square plus c square, that is b plus c whole square minus a square whole divided by 2bc. So from there, guys, from there 2 cos square A by 2 is equals to b plus a square, something like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that is b plus c plus a, which is equals to, what is b plus c plus a? Semi perimeter, nothing but 2s will be equals to a plus b plus c. Semi perimeter is half of a plus b plus c, and 2s perimeter will be 2s, which is equals to, that is b plus c plus a, b plus c, b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a, that whole divided by 2bc. Guys, now you see, so friends, 2 cos square A by 2 will be equals to a plus b plus c will be 2s, and b plus c minus a is nothing but, friends, just add a and subtract a, then you get 2s times 2s minus 2a whole divided by 2bc. 2 gets cancelled, here one more, so cos square A by 2, this 2 and this 2 also will gets cancelled, s of s minus a divided by bc. Therefore cos A by 2 will be root s into s minus a by bc. That's it. Root of s into s minus a by bc. Now to get sin A, 2 sin square A by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A, you just replace 2 sin square A by 2, we have 2 sine square a by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos a. In already triangle trigonometric ratios and identities, we have discussed those. So 2 sine square a by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos a. Just do substitute it, then you will be getting sine a by 2 is equals to root s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. Friends, very important, like we generally most frequently we come across all of them. Here delta represents the area of the triangle. Already in our lower grades itself we have seen Heron's formula. Delta is equals to, if S represents semi-perimeter and ABC are three corresponding sides of a triangle, then delta is equals to S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Clear? Square units. Delta is equals to square root. So now suppose if you are going to multiply S into S minus A in roots itself, then you will be getting this complete value as delta divided by S into S minus A whole square. Square root and that gets cancelled. Then we get delta by S into S minus A. Delta by S into S minus B. Remember this, friends. In terms of tan, we frequently come across root S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus C. Very important half angle formula. Next, area of triangle, which we have already seen, Heron's formula. Next, if you know two sides and included angle, very important. If you know two sides and included angle, then area of triangle is nothing but half of product of those two sides into sine of the included angle. Very important. That is, if I take a triangle, guys, let ABC be any triangle, then let this is ABC. Now to know the area of this particular triangle, half into, if I know AC, then angle B I know, half into AC into sine B. Delta is equals to, or if I know AB, half into AB times sine C. Or if I know BC, half BC times sine A. Sir, how do we get it? Very simple, friends, very simple. Just draw this perpendicular. Now how, suppose you know, see, half into A into half into base into height. Now express this height. What is this height, boss? Suppose if it is angle B, now this angle B is sine B is equals to, let this be some h divided by c. H is equals to sine c sine B. Now that's it. That is nothing but half AC sine B. If you are taking in terms of this, then you will be getting half AB sine C. I hope it is clear, guys. When you know, so the most here proof is not important, but just do understand. Then that is what if P1, P2, P3 be the corresponding altitudes, then you can even like. Most important thing is remember them. Proof is only for understanding. When you know two sides and the included angle, two sides and included angle, then we can easily get the area of triangle by using delta is equals to, when we know all the three sides, that's fine, by using Heron's rule, Heron's formula. Apart from that, when you know two sides and the included angle, the area of triangle can be half BC sine A or half AB sine C or half AC sine B. This is the proof of it, guys. Next, or like if you say, just now we have seen C sine B is nothing but altitude, no? So half into A into half into base into height. Now what is my height? C sine B. Half A P1 or half B P2 or half C P3, where P1, P2, P3 are the corresponding altitudes drawn from the word ABC respectively. Next, radius of the circumcircle. Yeah, already we have seen actually. A by sine A is equals to B by sine C B by sine B is equals to C by sine C is equals to 2R. From sine rule, friends, already we have seen A by sine A is equals to B by sine B is equals to C by sine C is equals to 2R. That means, guys, A is equals to 2R sine A, which implies A by 2 sine A is equals to or R. So or B by 2 sin B or C by 2 sin C. How do we get it? See guys, consider a triangle with sides small ABC, angles capital ABC respectively. Next, if this is the circumcircle passing through all the three vertices, then guys, if this is angle A, then definitely this is going to be angle A. Yeah, clear? Now what is sin A now in this? Sin A will be half of this A by 2 divided by R, which is nothing but directly sin A is equals to A by 2R. So R is equals to A by 2 sin A, which is already we got it from circumradius. Very simple. So if R is the circumradius of a triangle of a triangle ABC, circumradius of a triangle ABC, then R is equals to A by 2 sin A or B by 2 sin B or C by 2 sin C, which is nothing but ABC by 4 delta. Just now we have seen now guys. Suppose we have delta is equals to half AB sin C and R we have C by 2 sin C. In place of sin C, what can we write? Sin C is equals to 2 delta by AB. Just do substitute here. Sin C is equals to C by, sin C is nothing but 2 delta divided by AB. So which is finally equals to ABC by 4 delta. Very important again. If R denotes circumradius, then R is equals to ABC by 4 delta. Even we sometimes we use delta is equals to ABC by 4R. Delta is equals to ABC by 4R. Next, kindly make a note of all these things. Next, radius of incircle, another things we have, very important. What do you mean by radius of incircle? It is nothing but, first let me try to define incenter. Incenter is nothing but the point of intersection of internal angular bisectors of a triangle, which is generally denoted by capital I. Now from incenter, the perpendicular distance from I to any side of triangle ABC, that denotes R, small r, which we generally say in radius, small r. Capital R, circumradius, small r in radius. Now guys, let's say consider a triangle ABC. Now incircle is a circle which touches all this, that is the circle which is inscribing this triangle, the triangle. And the center of, let I be the center of this particular circle. That is I is nothing but in center now. The perpendicular distance from center to any side, we say R in radius small r, Very important. We have like most important relation with respect to in radius. I'll tell you one thing is, around 80% of the students do forget the relation in terms of R, because I know like it is something which we generally forget. It's not something we generally forget. If you are not habituated with it, if you are not working on it, definitely you will be forgetting. So I request everyone to work on it. Like if you are working on remaining formulas for 5 to 6 times, make sure you work on 2 times more on this particular thing, because majority of the problems do involve in radius small r. We have good relations in terms of R, that is R is equals to most important delta by S, and apart from that S minus A times tan A by 2, just by using symmetry guys. Now R in terms of B unit, S minus B times tan B by 2 or S minus C times tan C by 2. This we use according to our requirement. Suppose they give you some, we got to know that angle A or angle B or angle C, some known angle, either pi by 4 or pi by 2. In that way, we use any of these 3. Okay, or R is equals to delta by S. And the most important relation that we have with respect to in radius R and circumradius R is nothing but R is equals to 4R times sin A by 2, sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. R is equals to 4R times sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Imagine friends, if the triangle is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the angles will be 60 degrees. In that case, small r is equals to 4R times sin 30 into sin 30 into sin 30. That is nothing but, so capital R will be equals to 2R. In case of equilateral triangle, circumradius is going to be equals to twice the in radius. And in all the remaining possible cases, capital R will be always greater than or equals to 2R. Equals to holds only if the triangle is equilateral. In all the remaining cases, it will be greater than only. So if capital R denotes circumradius, small r denotes in radius, the relationship between them is capital R is always greater than or equals to 2R. Only in case of equilateral triangle, they will be equal. This is one most important relation that we generally use, in terms of comparing capital R and small r. So I want everyone to make a note on these things. And apart from that, we have some polygon things. First thing, polygon inscribed. Okay, polygon inscribed in a triangle. Polygon inscribed in a circle. Polygon inscribed in a circle. Regular polygon which is of n side. Consider a regular polygon having n sides. Now guys, if you see, each angle will be pi by 2n. So half of this is going to be pi by n now. Half of this will be equals to pi by n. R be the radius of the circle. Now, how do we get the side length of that particular polygon? Friends, consider sine. Sine pi by n is equals to, this is half of it. A by n, as this is regular polygon, definitely each median will be bisecting. Each median will also be an altitude. So that's the reason. A by 2. This will be A by 2. This will be A by 2. So A by 2 divided by R. Now guys, sin pi by n is equals to A by 2R. So just A is equals to 2R times sin pi by n. The side length of a regular polygon, inscribed in a circle of radius R. Polygon is inscribed. Okay, do understand these terms. Polygon is inside the circle. Then we use sine. Okay, if circle is inside polygon, then we use tan. There in that case we say circumscribed. Guys, clear? This polygon is inscribed in a circle of radius R. Then in that case, apart from that, perimeter. What is perimeter, guys? What is perimeter of this regular polygon? Perimeter is nothing but here n sides we have, and each side is of equal length. So n times one side, that is equals to n times 2R of sin pi by n. There are questions based on this. That's the reason. So P is equals to 2Rn times sin pi by n. Next, area of this regular polygon. Area is nothing but there will be n triangles corresponding to each side. We will be having one triangle. And all those triangles will be congruent triangles only. So if you find one triangle area and multiply with n, that there we get the area of whole regular polygon. So how do we get the area of this one, ma? When you know, see, this is R, and this is R, and this angle is pi by 2n. When you know two sides and included angle, what is the area of triangle? Half into product of these two sides, half r square sine 2 pi by n. This is the area of one triangle. Now, how many such triangles do we have, friends? N triangles, as it is n-sided polygon. Yes. Half into r square into sine 2 pi by n. That becomes, area is nothing but n times. So area is equals to half into r square n into sine 2 pi by n. This is the area of the regular polygon which is inscribed in a circle of radius r. Area of the regular polygon which is inscribed in a circle of radius r. Very important. We proved all the things. I request you to remember them. Remember them. And no need, like, even if you won't remember also, we can just prove it in just seconds. But I suggest you to remember, friends. Guys, next. Circumscribed about a circle of radius r. In previous case, polygon is inscribed. In this case, circumscribed about a circle. Now they have given circle radius of r. See, circle is inside. Previously, circle is outside. Now, so we say circumscribed about a circle. So that means in this case, friends, as usual, here you take tan, we take, that's it. What is tan pi by n, friends? Tan pi by n is equals to opposite a by 2 by adjacent, we say r. Now tan pi by n is equals to, so r into, like, so we say a by 2r. Therefore finally, friends, a is equals to 2r times tan pi by n. That's it. 2r times tan pi by n. A is equals to 2r times tan pi by n. Very simple, na? In the same way, you derive an expression for perimeter and even for area of such regular polygon. Okay, once we know side, then it's easy for us to get. N times perimeter is nothing but n into 2r tan pi by n. Now, what is the area of this particular? Once you know two sides, from here we can get this. Half into that, this side into square of these two into tan 2 pi, sine 2 pi by n. In that way we can get it easily. Okay, you derive such expressions. But the most important thing that we need in general is this one. This one we need, friends, this one. Okay, guys, next. Good. So with that, we are done with the complete theory part of solutions of triangles, that is properties of triangles. We have discussed the different types of rules: sine rule, cosine rule, Napier's analogy, projection rule, starting circumradius, in radius, polygon inscribed in circle, polygon circumscribing a circle of radius r. In that perimeter side length, we have seen perimeter area. Now we will be entering into PYQs. All the PYQs will be covering from the past 5-6 years. Apart from that, we will be considering different miscellaneous questions also, guys. Okay. So the first question that we are seeing in this is sin A by sin B is equals to sin of A minus C divided by sin of C minus B, where ABC are the angles of triangle AB, then lengths of the sides opposite. Fine. See, such a simple expression it is, friends. Such a simple expression they have asked in the year 2021. Not only this, every question from properties of triangles will be simple. The only thing, just analyzing the given question in a suitable manner. That is very important. And applying the suitable formulae in right time. Clear? So sin A by sin B, already you know. See, friends, as this is a triangle, in triangle sum of all the angles will be 180. Yeah, sum of angle. Now here A can be written as A is equals to pi minus B plus C, I can write. Or even here B can be written as pi minus of A plus C. So sin A means sin of 180 minus B plus C, which is sin B plus C only. So I am just writing it as, directly I am writing, friends, sin of B plus C. Why? Because A is nothing but pi minus B plus C. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta divided by sin of A plus C is equals to sin of A minus C divided by sin of C minus B. Guys, in the next step, cross multiplication, sin B plus C into sin C minus B. It's not B minus C. In flow we write it as B minus C. And sin of A minus C times sin of A plus C. Already we know sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B. In the same way, by using this expression, sin square C minus sin square B is equals to sin square A minus sin square C. Now guys, get sin square C to this side. So 2 sin square C is equals to sin square A plus sin square B. Guys, already we know Sine square, see already by using sine rule, a is equals to 2r sine a. Instead of taking 2r, let's take a is equals to some k sine a, b is equals to some k sine b, c is equals to some k sine c, or even sine a is equals to some k times a. Anything we can. Anyhow, when you apply sine c is equals to some a by k, then here itself like k square gets cancelled. Now that becomes finally 2 times of c square is equals to a square plus b square. Guys, have you understood what did I do here? Sin a is equals to a by k I took. Now here if I take that 2 times c square by k square is equals to a square by k square plus b square by k square. K square gets cancelled. See friends, if this is like 2b is equals to some a plus c, that is nothing but which option do we have? Which option do we have? Yes, 2c, c square should be the middle term. Yes, so b square c square comma a square are in AP. If they give you a square c square b square, that also can be the answer. So b square c square a square are in AP. Then only we say 2c square is equals to b square plus a square. Clear guys? Is that clear? Is that clear? Such a simple thing, na? There are no some other things also involved in this. Next one. Question number 2. If in a triangle ABC, AB length given, angle B given, and radius of circumcircle of triangle ABC given, then the area they are asking. Oh God. AB, what do you mean by AB? Small c they have given. C is equals to 5 units. AB, that nothing but cos B they have given. Cos B is 3 by 5. If cos B is 3 by 5, definitely angle B is acute angle, because angle B in a triangle, either an angle can be either acute or obtuse. If it is obtuse, cos is negative. If cos is positive, if it is acute. From here we can take sin B is equals to 4 by 5 easily. Yeah. Yes. Then the area of this particular triangle they are asking. Acha. Guys, already we know from sine rule, can I write B is equals to 2r times sin B? B is equals to 2r sin B. Now B is equals to 2 times, what is R? R is 5. R equals to 5 they have given. 2 5s into sin 4 by 5. So B equals to 8. Now in a triangle ABC, BC, nothing but A, we don't know. AB is nothing but a C, which is 5, and this is 8. Now, okay. Now, to get the area of this particular triangle, if we can know this angle, it's enough. If you can know this angle, that's enough. Yeah. Yes, let's see, because we know cos B na, from cosine rule, cos B, this side if you know, that's enough. This side if you know, cos B is equals to a square plus 5 square minus 8 square divided by 10a guys. What is cos B friends? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is equals to a square plus 25 minus 64 divided by 10a. 5 1s are 5 2s are 3 2s are 6a is equals to a square plus 25 minus 64. 39. 9 plus 5 14. Yes, a square minus 39. Then that becomes a square minus 6a minus 39 is equals to 0. So friends, we got a quadratic equation in terms of a. Then we can get easily a. Yeah. Then that becomes a equals to directly, or by using completing square method we can do it friends easily. A square minus 6a is equals to 39. A square minus 2, so I am adding plus 9 on both sides. This becomes a minus 3 whole square is equals to 48. So a minus 3 will be plus or minus 16 threes are. So 4 root 3. Definitely I can't take negative. Why you know? Because side shouldn't be negative. So a is equals to only I take plus root 3. Now a will becomes 3 plus 4 root 3 guys. That's it. We know a, we know this side and we know sine b. Now what is delta? Delta is equals to half times half of AC into sine b. Delta is equals to half of a is 3 plus 4 root 3 times c is 5, sine b is 4 by 5. So that becomes multiply with 2. Delta is equals to 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8 root 3 square units. I hope it is clear, friends. I hope it is clear. Yeah. See, first we have taken cos b. Then from there we took sine b. Yes. Even we can get it by using some other rules also, because all the rules, all cosine or sine or tangent, projection, any rule we take in properties of triangles are completely one rule will be related to the other. The same problem can be done in by using different rules. But of all the rules, we have to take at the instant the most efficient one, the most efficient, which gives us less calculations, which can be solved in less time. That is what the most important part of a student. Selecting which suitable rule, which rule to make my things very simplest. That is what the most important part. Okay. See, cos inverse b, from there cos b we got sine b, and just such an easy question guys, such an easy question. Chalo, we are moving into the next question. Let capital ABC be the lengths of the sides AC and AB respectively. The area of ABC given, and capital R and R, yes, circumcircle, encircle, radius. Then value of 2R plus R. Acha, see guys, again easy, all the things will be easy. There are no such questions of hard from properties of triangles for JEE mains part. The lengths of the sides AC and AB. If the area, friends, already we know what is area. Delta is equals to half times AC. What is AC? AC is nothing but small b, which is equals to 12, and AB is nothing but C, which is equals to 5. Half BC times sin A. 30 is equals to half 12 into 5 into sin A. 6 5s are 2 1s are 2, 6 5s are 30. So sin A is equals to 1, which implies angle A is equals to pi by 2 degree. Sorry, pi by 2 radian. Ho gaya, almost simple. See, if it is a right angle triangle guys, if it is a right angle triangle ABC, they have given AB is 12, sorry, AC 12, this is 5. Definitely by using Pythagorean triplet we get. One most important thing, already we have discussed in our lower classes, that for a right angle triangle, the circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So circumradius will be half the hypotenuse. That is directly R is equals to 13 by 2. Done. Clear. R equals to 13 by 2. Now how do we find small r? There is the most important thing. Already we have seen in radius formula, R is equals to delta by S minus A tan A by 2, S minus B tan C by 2. Already I said this S minus A tan A by 2 or S minus B tan B by 2 or S minus C tan C by 2, we have to take with respect to the required thing. Here we know angle A. So R is equals to, just you take S minus A times tan A by 2. This becomes the most simplest part. Friends, clear? A is already 90. So A by 2. R is equals to S minus A. That's it. So 2R will be equals to 2S minus 2A. What is 2R? 2S. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C minus 2A. Just remember this, friends. Whenever I say 2S minus 2A, then becomes B plus C minus A. Already you know. Now what is B plus C minus A? B is 12. C is 5 minus 13. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 minus 13 is 4. So 2r is equals to 4 we got. Therefore, which implies r equals to 2. And what about, they are asking 2 times of circumradius is 13. Now final expression they are just asking as 2r plus small r is equals to 13 plus 2, which is equals to 15. See how simple it is, friends, how simply we did. Yeah. So coming to the next question. In a right angle triangle, the smallest angle be theta. If a triangle formed by taking the reciprocal of its sides is also a right angle triangle, then sin theta is equals to. Guys, in this, let's do understand one thing. First, let capital ABC be any triangle, ACB or ABC. Let's see, then this becomes A. Let the smallest angle be theta they have given. So in this triangle, my dear friends, in this triangle, A is the smallest one, C is the largest one. C is the largest and A is the smallest. Considering another right angle triangle, now if a triangle formed by taking the reciprocal of its sides is also a right angle triangle. So now what about this largest side? Definitely the largest side is nothing but the reciprocal of the smallest one. As A is the smallest, 1 by A becomes the largest of all. This becomes 1 by A, and this A is opposite to theta is smallest one. C is the largest, so smallest will be 1 by C, and this becomes 1 by B as it is. Okay, next in this triangle, this is 90 minus theta. By using sine rule, A by sin theta is equals to B by sin 90 minus theta, which is equals to cos theta, which is equals to C by angle sin 91, which is equals to some K. Now A equals to K sin theta, B equals to some K cos theta, and C equals to K, friends. Let's keep it. Let's do this. Now in this, by using Pythagorean theorem, we can say 1 by A square is equals to 1 by B square plus 1 by C square. Just try to replace all these things. 1 by K square times sin square theta, or first let's simplify this. 1 by A square is equals to B square plus C square whole divided by B square times C square. Now 1 by A square will be 1 by A square we get 1 by A square is nothing but K square sin square theta is equals to B square plus C square. You can take K square common. K square of B square plus C square, 1 plus cos square theta divided by B square, K square into K square, K power 4 by K square gets cancelled. B square into C square, cos square theta into 1. That's it, cos square theta. Now cross multiplication, friends. Then you get cos square theta is equals to sin square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. We need to get sin theta. We need to get sin theta. Yeah, clearly we can express it in a biquadratic equation in terms of sin. That is, let me take sin t is equals to some sin theta, friends. If you take t equals to sin theta, what happens? Cos square is nothing but 1 minus t square is equals to t square times 1 plus 1 minus t square. Clearly 1 minus t square is equals to t square of 2 minus t square, which is nothing but 1 minus t square is equals to 2t square minus t power 4. Get everything to the left hand side. T power 4 minus 3t square plus 1 is equals to 0. This is a biquadratic and quadratic in t square. So t square is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. 9 minus 4, 5 divided by 2. Definitely you can't take plus because 3 plus root 5 value something 2 change. So 3 plus 2.2, 5.2 divided, it is getting more than, because t square is nothing but sin square theta. So sin square theta can't be greater than 1. So you take 3 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, 3 minus root 5 by 2. Sin square theta is equals to 3 minus root 5 by 2. Guys, clear? Now from here we need sine theta. Acha. So sine theta is equals to, just simplify that, you will be getting it. Sine theta is equals to 3 minus root 5 by 2 whole square root of 3 minus root 5 by 2. This is what we require. See, that's it na. Very simple. They have given a triangle with sides. The reciprocals are meant to be so and so. Now they are asking sine theta is equals to. That's it. Clear, guys? Coming to the next question. With the usual notation in triangle ABC, if angle A plus angle B is equals to 120 degree, A equals to root 3 plus 1, B equals to root 3 minus 1, then the ratio of angle A is to angle B, they are asking. Acha. Okay, fine, let's see. Let's see. Angle A plus angle B given. So from there angle C will be, as sum of the angles is 180, angle C is 60 degrees. That's clear. Now A given, B given, angle all like C known, you can get C by using cos C is equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Cos C is nothing but 1 by 2 is equals to A square. Root 3 plus 1 whole square will be root 3 plus 1 whole, like, or A square plus B square. Root 3 plus A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. A square is nothing but 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. This is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. So if you are going to add them, you will be getting 8. Yeah. Minus C square, we don't know, by divided by 2 times AB. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Guys, clear? How did I write this? A square plus B square is, A square is root 3 plus 1 whole square. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. B square 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Then we get this. That's it. Now, so 2 is equals to 8 minus C square. C square is equals to 6. C equals to only root 6. Not plus or minus. Not negative, because side can't be negative. That's it. Fine. Next, from here, to get one angle, it's enough, no? So sine B by B is equals to sine C by C, we can say. Yeah. Or B by sine B is equals to C by sine C. From here I can say sine B by, what is B, boss? B. B is nothing but root 3 minus 1 is equals to sine C. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 into C is root 6. Root 6 I can write it as root 2 into root 3. So directly sine B is equals to, friends, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. What it is, which implies B equals to 15 degree. Very simple na. If B is 15, then A plus B is equals to 120 degree, which is equals to A is 120 minus 15, which is equals to 105 degree. Now they are asking angle A in angle B in degrees, that too. So angle A by angle B, which equals to 105 divided by 15. 15 ones, 15 sevens. So 7 by 1. That's it. Guys, clear? 7:1. Very simple. They just asked. See, this question was asked in the year 2019. That's it. Next, given B plus C divided by root 11. Oh God, like this is very, very, very important questions that we have, friends. Very important question that we have. This majority of almost like 3 to 4 times in mains we came across this question. Very, very, very simple one. Just the agenda is so simple and the process is so simple. What is that? First, first you take all these equals to some k. So from there what we get? B plus C will be 11k now. C plus A will be 12k. A plus B will be 13k. Now add all of them, you get, see, 2 times A plus B plus C will be, you will be getting 13 plus 12, 25, 36k. So from here you get A plus B plus C will be 18k. From here you get A, B, C in terms of, see, Suppose B plus C is 11k. What about A? A will be now B plus C 11. So A will be 7k. What about B? C plus A is 12k. B will be 6k. And C will be, if C plus A plus B is something like 13, 5k. Have you understood, guys? First thing, the most important thing, I have equated all of them to some k. From there, I expressed B plus C in terms of k, C plus A, I added them, I got A plus B plus C value. Now from there, I got A, B, C in terms of k. Clear? Now, see, they are asking like cos A by alpha is equals to cos B by beta is equals to cos C by gamma, and they are asking like a triad of alpha beta. Nothing but they are asking cos alpha, cos beta, cos A, cos B, cos C only. That's it. Just find cos A, friends. Cos A. Now what about cos A, guys? Cos A is nothing but B square plus C square. Anyhow, K square gets cancelled. So directly I am writing B square plus C square. 36 plus 25 minus 49 divided by 2 times 30. Yeah. 2BC. See, 2 times 30. Next, if you simplify this, cos A you will be getting 36 plus 25, 35, 61 minus 49 divided by 2 times 30. Then that becomes 61 minus 49. 12 divided by 2 times 30. So 6 2s are 6 5s are, which is equals to 1 by 5. That's it. Yeah. Next, cos B. Cos B will be equals to A square plus C square. A square plus C square. 49 plus 25 minus B square. 36 whole divided by 2 times 7 6 are 42. In the same way, cos C, guys. Cos C is equals to B square, A square plus B square. 49 plus 36 minus 25 divided by 2 times AB na 7 6 are 42. Sorry, AC here. In this case, AC 7 5 is 35 here. Cos B will be equals to A square plus 49 plus 25 minus 36 divided by 2AC. 2 times 35. Okay. Here 2 times AB. 2 times 7 6 are 42. So 49 plus 25 will be 49 plus 25. 54, 74 minus 36 whole divided by 2 times 35. So that becomes 38 divided by 2 times 35, which is equals to 19 by 35. Let's keep it aside. Cos C will be 36 minus 25 will be 11. 11 plus 49 is 60. 60 divided by 2 times 42. So 2 1s are 2 30s are 3 10s are 3 1s are 4s are 2 5s are 2 7s are 5 by 7. Clear? Okay. Now the LCM is 35. So I can just write this as something like 7 by 35. This I can write it as again 25 by 35. Multiply and divide by 5. Yeah. Now you see, guys, very simple. From all these three things, I can say cos A is equals to 7 by 35 means cos A divided by 5. Cos A divided by 5 is equals to 1 by 35. Cos B divided by 19 is equals to 1 by 35. Cos C divided by 25 is also equals to 1 by 35. That means I can say clearly cos A by 5 is equals to cos B by 19 is equals to cos C by 25 is equals to 1 by 35. So if you are going to compare that with this, alpha is 5, beta is 19, gamma will be 25. That's it, guys. See how much, like, we did nothing, and very almost like 3 to 4 times we came across this question in mains. Very simple. First, all equate to k, express ABC in terms of k. From there, ABC, a comma b comma a plus b plus c. From there, you get ABC in terms of k. Find cos by using cosine rule. We got cos a, cos b, cos c. That's it. Clear? Next, good question. If a triangle, the sum of the lengths of two sides is x and the product of the lengths of the same two sides is y, if x square, acha. Sum of the lengths of two sides is x. Okay. Let us take a plus b is equals to x, and the lengths, product of the lengths a into b is x. If x square minus c square is equals to y, where c is the length of third side. Achha, c is the length of, now sides will be a comma b comma c. X square minus c square is equals to y, they have given. Then the circumradius, capital R, they are asking. Friends, see something, x square minus c square means, let's try to identify, let's try to do something in terms of k. Let's try to do something in terms of k. Cosine rule, let's use cosine rule. See, cos c is equals to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Why did we use? Because in only cos rule we have this product and something like squares we have. Okay. Now cos c is clearly equals to, what is a square plus b square? A square plus b square is nothing but, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what is a plus b whole square? X square minus 2ab. X square minus x square. Product is y, they have given. Product is y. Achha. So x square minus 2ab minus 2y minus c square divided by 2ab, 2y. But already x square minus c square is y. So y minus 2y is minus y divided by 2y, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. Oh, friends, see how much simply we got, like, see, cos c is minus 1 by 2, then c is equals to 120 degrees. That's it. C is equals to 120 degree. We got this. Is this clear? C is equals to 120 degrees. We got this, friends. We got this. Now they are asking circumradius. Circumradius we need. Circumradius. Acha. They are asking in circumradius. For that, use cosine rule. C equals to 2r sin c. As we know, angle C. Now C is C itself. 2r times, what is sin c? Sin 120 degree. Sin 120 is nothing but sin of 180 minus 60. So sin 60, which is nothing but root 3 by 2 only. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, finally R is equals to C by root 3. Such a simple question, friends. Capital R is equals to, circumradius is equals to C by root 3. Here C is one known side. C by root 3 they have given. Good. Okay. Next one. For a regular polygon, let R and R be the radii of, acha, this. Okay, great. A false statement among the following is, acha, very simple it is. Very, very, very simple, friends. There is nothing in it actually. For a regular polygon, acha, let R be the, small r be the radius of inscribed circle. Circle is inside. Okay, circle is inside. That means tan. So A equals to 2r times tan pi by n. Capital R be circumscribed. Circle is outside. That means sin. Same A we get 2 times capital R of sin pi by n. Among the following, capital R by R, small r by r. Acha, then divide, friends, just divide. If you just divide, what do you get? 1 is equals to r by r times sin pi by n gets cancelled, 1 by cos pi by n you get. Which, have you understood friends? Just divide these two equations. A by A is equals to, here we have 2r tan pi by n divided by 2 capital R sin pi by n. So 1 is equals to small r by capital R, tan sin by cos sin gets cancelled, 1 by cos you get. So from here you get cos pi by n is equals to small r by capital R. That's it. Now among the 4 options, which is a false statement? There is a regular polygon with R. So definitely we know cos value will be less than 1. 1 by 2 less than 1, 1 by root 2 less than 1, 2 by 3 less than 1, root 3 by 2 less than 1. Acha, great. Now what has to be identified as a false statement? Friends, very simple. Here what is n? N is nothing but natural number, number of sides. N is a natural number. So n can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 and so on. Very simple friends. If n is 1, cos pi, n is 2, pi by 2, n is 3, pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 5 we get. All values we know it, right? Pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, all values will be either 1 by 2 or 1 by root 2 or root 3 by 2. For any natural number n, do we get 2 by 3? We won't. We won't. For any natural number n, pi by any natural number, we won't get cos of some this particular random value we won't get. So among this is the false statement. And this is our answer. Is that clear? Good question, like just conceptual based, that's it. A good conceptual based. It was asked in the year 2010. Next question, question 9. Let angle C pi by 2 if R is the in radius and R is circumradius. Oh, angle C is pi by 2. Angle C is pi by 2. Angle CAB. This is small c, small a, small b. Definitely capital R will be half of this hypotenuse. Acha. So C is equals to 2R now. Now already we have seen R is equals to, small r is equals to S minus C into tan C by 2. Why did I take this guys? Because I know C angle. So R is equals to tan C by 2 is 1. S minus C. What is S? R is S minus C. Now 2R is equals to 2S minus 2C. 2R is equals to, already we have seen 2S is A plus B plus C minus 2C. That becomes A plus B minus C we get. Now they are just asking to sum all this. 2 times capital R plus 2 times small r is equals to 2 times capital R is C plus this is A plus B minus C. Plus C minus C gets cancelled. Very simple friends, very simple. We got the expression. Such a simple thing we got. Clear? Next one. The angle A of the triangle ABC in which A plus B plus C of B plus C minus A equals to 3BC. Actually, now we are done with PYQs. We are going with only miscellaneous now, to cover some other concepts also. So in this miscellaneous, like all the concepts that we have not covered till now in terms of PYQs, we will be covering it in terms of miscellaneous questions. Okay. By this, I have selected all. We are not going to do much questions, but we are going to do questions which covers each and every concept from properties of triangles. Clear, guys? Now, just this is like B plus C plus A into B plus C minus A. So clearly we can write it as B plus C whole square minus A square is equals to 3BC. What is B plus C whole square minus A square, guys? B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square is equals to 3BC. So B square plus C square minus A square, if 2BC goes to that side, we get BC, which implies B square plus C square minus A square by BC is equals to 1. Divide 2 both sides, friends. Divide 2 both sides. Why? Because this is cos A. Now cos A is equals to 1 by 2, which implies directly we got A 60 degrees. A is 60 degrees. Very simple, na? We didn't do anything also, many much particular things in this, friends. Just some random things. Yeah. Next, triangle ABC, B plus C is 3A, cot B by 2 into cot C by 2. We don't like, we have half angle formula in terms of tan B by 2, tan C by 2. Directly let's apply it. What is tan B by 2, friends? Square root of S minus B, sorry, tan B by 2 is S minus A into S minus C by S of S minus B. Tan C by 2 will be S minus A, S minus B by S of S minus C. If you are going to multiply these two, what happens? Tan B by 2 into tan C by 2. If you are going to multiply S minus B gets cancelled. S minus C gets cancelled. Root S minus A into root S minus, that is S minus A divided by S. Okay? Directly done. Clear? Okay, yes, clear. Yes. And what is S minus A? Let's multiply and divide by 2. So 2S minus 2A divided by 2S we get. What is 2S minus 2A? A plus B plus C minus 2A. Nothing but B plus C minus A we get. Divided by A plus B plus C. But already friends, in the question B plus C is 3A. So 3A minus A, which becomes 2A. B plus C is 3A. 3A plus A, 4A. Which is equals to 1 by 2. Directly now reciprocal of this we need. That is cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equals to 2. Friends, so easy na? We did like this. Next question. In a triangle ABC, right angle is at B, then in radius they are asking. Acha. Right angle is at angle B, then in radius we need. Very simple, as usual. Right angle at B, therefore R is equals to, we take S minus B times tan B by 2. Why? Because angle B is equals to pi by 2 now. Now as R is equals to S minus B we get. Okay. So 2R is equals to 2S minus 2B. 2R is equals to, what is 2S guys? A plus B plus C minus 2B. Nothing but A plus C minus B we get. R equals to A plus C minus B divided by 2. What is A? A is nothing but BC. And C is nothing but AB minus B is nothing but AC whole divided by 2. What we have? Minus AC. AB plus BC. Yes, this is our answer. Some miscellaneous, but see, when it clearly says that we have to use in radius smaller in terms of angles where something which is given in this required way. Right angle at B. Clear? Next, in a triangle ABC, delta is equals to A square minus of B minus C whole square, then tan A is equals to. Almost like simple thing. Acha, okay. Clear? See, this is like A square minus some B minus C whole square, some A square minus B square. We can do A plus B minus C into A minus of B minus C. So we get A minus B plus C we get. Okay. Next. What is A plus B minus C guys? That becomes 2S minus 2C it is actually. And it is 2S minus 2B. Okay. So delta is equals to 2 times S minus C, 2 times S minus B. Delta by 4 is equals to S minus B into S minus C. Correct? Friends, this is clearly S minus B into S minus C whole divided by delta is equals to 1 by 4. What is this? Tan A by 2, friends. This is tan A by 2 formula directly. Tan A by 2. Now what do we need? Tan A. Tan A is equals to, we know by using half angle, 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Just by substituting you will get it ma. 2 times 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. Correct? Yes. 1 by 2 divided by 15 by 16. 2 1s 2 8s. 8 by 15. So finally tan A is going to be 1 by 15 friends. Such an easy one. Yeah, we got tan A by 2. From there, by using half angle formula from trigonometry, we got tan A. Clear? Next, we'll go to the next. The equation, this where ABC are the sides of the triangle. If ABC are the sides of the triangles, definitely they are real numbers. No doubt, yeah. Next, and the equation, these two equations have a common root, it seems. Friends, already in quadratic equations, we have clearly, I said clearly that, what is the discriminant of this? B square minus 4AC, 2 minus 4, which is less than 0. If a discriminant of an equation is less than 0 and the coefficients are real, all the coefficients are real, that means there is no question of having one common root. There should be two roots common for both the equations. Acha? So this ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and this equation should have both common roots, both the roots common. When they have both the roots common, see friends, if you are not understood this, go watch quadratic equations one short lecture. In that I have clearly mentioned why. Common roots concept, one root common, two roots common, I said. So if two roots are common, then we take their coefficients are proportional. A by 1 is equals to b by root 2 is equals to c by 1. Now what they are asking, then they are asking c. Yeah, let's take this as some k. Now cos c, let's find cos c directly friends. Let's find cos c. Cos c is equals to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. A square plus b square, 1 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 2ab, 2 root 2. So 2 by 2 root 2, that is nothing but 1 by root 2. Therefore, angle C is equals to 45 degrees. Guys, clear? Just simple thing, na? Have you understood this, guys? Have you understood this? Yes, good. Next. Question 15, the last question in today's session. In triangle PQR, area delta they have given A2, B7 by 2, then it is so simple again friends, so simple. See, 2 sin P minus sin 2P already we know, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 2 sin P plus 2 sin P cos P. We can take like 2 sin P common and cancel. Then we get 1 minus cos P by 1 plus cos P. 1 minus cos P by 1 plus cos P. This is 2 sin square P by 2 by 2 cos square P by 2, which is nothing but tan square P by 2. Okay. What is tan P by 2 in general? Tan P by 2 is nothing but square root of, or this is directly we can write it as S minus B into S minus C by delta. Okay. S minus B into S minus C by delta. So tan square P by 2 is nothing but S minus B into S whole square we need. So tan square P by 2 is equals to S minus B. First let's find S. What is S? First let's find 2S. 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. What is A plus B plus C? 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 7 plus 5, 12 by 2, 6, which is equals to 8. So S is equals to 4. Now what is S minus B? S minus B. 4 minus 7 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2. And S minus C, 4 minus 5 by 2, 2 or 8, 3 by 2. Let's substitute everything here. S minus B is 1 by 2 times 3 by 2 whole divided by delta. So this is directly 3 by 4 delta whole square. Direct one, direct result it is, direct result. Clear guys? Yes, that's it. So friends, in today's session, all the concepts from properties of triangles and problems on each and every concept from properties of triangles we have discussed in today's session. I request each one of you to watch this session carefully by jotting all the concepts followed by all the problems. Make sure you're noting it down. Okay. And luckily, like, I have not given any problems for homework. Just I have, like, there are like very limited problems. So I did it on my own. Almost like 15-16 problems we did it. Of those, some are PYQs, previous year questions. Apart from previous year questions, also some other like random miscellaneous questions where we include good number of concepts from that. Okay friends, the importance of this lecture, as I already stated in the beginning, one particular 4 mark for sure, guarantee one particular 4 mark, that is one question we are going to expect from this. Make sure if you are like understanding this entire lecture, my dear friends, one 4 mark guarantee you can do it from properties of triangles, because that much simple it is. So I request each one of you to watch this session clearly by noting out each and every concept and problems. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, have very best preparation, my dear friends. Keep doing great. Bye. See